This is San Antonio's thunderstorm. Yay, look at all that water. That's the downstairs. This is the upstairs. That's Dominic's car, by the way. Look at all that water. All that water. Okay. There we go. Okay. It's so cold. It smells so good. And the breeze is so good right now. Oh. Okay. Well, bye.